Hello student, I am Mrs. Harsha Jhope from Praveen Patil Polytechnic, Bhayindar. Today we are going to study part 6 of our chapter 2 Raster Scan Graphics. Learning outcomes of these videos are, after watching this video, you will be able to know about what do you mean by scanline algorithm. In last video, we have started the topic polygon filling. We have seen that polygon filling, it is divided into mainly two topics, seed fill algorithm and scanline algorithm. Seed fill algorithm itself have two subtopics, flood fill algorithm and boundary fill algorithm. And the next topic of the polygon filling, that is the scanline algorithm that we are studying now. Actually, polygon filling algorithm, these are the algorithm which are used to fill the polygon. Means what? On your screen, there are number of pixels present. The pixel grid is present. On that pixel grid, if you will draw a particular polygon, consider that this is your pixel grid. Consider that this is your pixel grid on your screen. On this screen, this is your pixel grid. On this pixel grid, if you will draw a particular polygon, consider this, I am drawing this triangle, then to fill the polygon means to color every pixel inside the polygon, it is the polygon filling. In last video we have seen that the two types of polygon filling, that is the flood fill and boundary fill algorithm. And now we are starting with the scanline algorithm. Then in scanline algorithm, we are trying to find the interior points of a polygon area by locating the intersection points of a scanline with the edges of the polygon. Means what? We will consider the number of scanlines that are passing through that particular polygon. In this example, you can see that this is your polygon. You can consider any polygon. Okay, and then I have considered this particular scanline that is passing from this polygon. You can consider number of scanline. Okay, for example, consider that again I will consider this scan line. This is your first scan line, second scan line, third scan line. Like that you can consider the number of scan line, and then you can find out the intersection point. Intersection point means this particular scan line and the polygon where that they meet, that is your intersection point. If this is your P1 and this is your P2, then you just need to need to make a pair of that line. Means you have to consider P1 and P2 line, and then you just fill the particular pixel of this scan line. Again you can consider this third scan line. Okay, this is your scan line third. In this scan line, you have to find out the intersection point of the particular scan line. I have told you that intersection point of the scan line to the polygon means what? If I am drawing this scan line and where the point of scan line and polygon that meet with each other, this is called as the intersection point. This is your P1 and this is your P2. Then you just need to find out these coordinates of this P1 and P2, and then afterwards you will fill the particular coordinates between the 2 points. And in this way you can consider the number of scan lines that passes from the polygon and you just fill it. In this example, this is your scan line. Here if I am drawing this scan line, then the intersection points, this is your P0, P1. Then you have to make the pair of this, that is P0, P1. And then again there is nothing between this, so it will be blank. And after that, this for this is your P2 and P3 intersection point. You have to make the pair of P2 and P3, and after that you just need to fill the coordinates between the points between this P0 and P1 and the points between the P2 and P3. In this way you can fill your particular polygon. Then let's go towards the algorithmic part. That was the explanation for this scanline algorithm. Then go toward the algorithms. Then for this particular topic in your board exam, it can be asked like that: what is scanline algorithm? Explain in detail. Then you have to write down this algorithm with explanation. Step 1 is that find out the y-min and y-max from the given polygon. Means what? This is your particular polygon. You have to find out the y-max, means this coordinate, and y-min, that is this coordinate for your particular polygon. Then in second step is scanline intersect with each edge of the polygon from y-min to y-max. Name each intersection point of the polygon. Means from this y-min to y-max you have to consider the number of scan lines and you have to find out how many intersection points and how many pairs you are getting. Then as per the figure shown, they are named as P0, P1, P2, P3. These are the intersection point of the scan line with the polygon. Then in third step, you have to sort the intersection point in the increasing order of x coordinate. That is P0, P1. That can be a line. And then P1, P2. Let's go backward. You can see that we got the intersection point P0, P1, P2 and P3. Then we have to make the pair in such a way that we can draw a line. So here P0, P1, that can be a pair so that we can draw a line directly. And here P2, P3, that can be a pair so that we can draw a line directly. After making a pair or after sorting the intersection point, step 4 is fill all those pairs of coordinates that are inside polygons and ignores the alternate pairs. Means what? You have to fill the particular pairs which we have made previously. We have made P0, P1. Then you just need to fill the pixels between P0 and P1, and next you will need to fill the pixels between P2 and P3, and the alternative you have to left. Means what? You don't need to fill this particular portion because it is not under your polygon. Then just again we will just revise our scanline algorithm. Okay. In scanline algorithm, you have to consider a particular polygon. Then, say first step is find out the y-min and y-max coordinate. Then in second step, the scanline intersect with each edge of the polygon from Ymin to Ymax. Name each intersection point. Here this is the scanline and we have named the intersection point the polygon. Then in next step you have to make the pair of the point. Here we are making P0, P1, P2, P3. Then next you have to fill the particular distance between the 2 points, that pair we have made. That's all about your scanline algorithm. Thank you for watching this video.